Students, today I will explain you question 1 of exercise 3.2. Question 1 of exercise 3.2. Just see the question. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems. Means you have to form the linear equations, whatever statement is given, and find their solutions graphically. Means you will not solve the algebraically. Okay, you have to solve with the graph. What will be answer? Okay. So now see the very first part of this question, that is the 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. One quiz has been held in this school, class 10. 10 students total they participated. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, it is given the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Here students, from where you are getting the two equations? First it is written the 10 students of class 10. That means ki number of boys and number of girls together, that strength is what? 10. Okay. And the second equation you are getting, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, means ki whatever the number of boys are there, 4 girls are 4 more than that. Okay. So now we'll see that how you have to start. Let number of boys be x and number of girls be y. Okay, let number of boys be x and number of girls be y. Now according to question, first statement, x plus y, number of boys and girls both equals 10. Okay. To solve the graphically, what we need? We need the coordinates. So coordinates, for that the one variable has to be another side. So that can be written as y equal to 10 minus x. Y equal to 10 minus x. Another equation. This is the first equation. Now the second equation. That is saying that the number of girls are 4 more than number of boys. That means ki y are the number of girls and y's are x. Y equal to x plus 4. Okay. Now you see both equation. Here the y equal to 10 minus x and here the y equal to x plus 4. Okay. Now how you have to convert in coordinates, that you will see. For that you have to make the block. And you will get the coordinates, then after the graphically you can solve it. Nothing is there, and you have to make the block. Here we can take the 2-3 values of that. In the first column, because the y value depend upon the x, so x will be here and the y equal to 10 minus x will be here. Okay, there x will be here and that will be y equal to x plus 4. Now we'll take the different values of x and then after you will see that what will be. X plus 4 it is there. Now we'll take the x equal to, suppose the two boys are there. Then number of girls, y equal to 10 minus 2 will what? 8. Okay. When the 3 boys are there, that time the girls will be 10 minus 3 will what? 7. When the 4 are there, that time that will be 6. And when the 5 is there, that time it will be what? 5. You will see that. If x equal to 2, then y equal to 10 minus 2 will what? 8. x equal to 3, then y equal to 10 minus 3 will be 7, x equal to 4, then y equal to 10 minus 4 equal to 6, and x equal to 5, then y equal to 10 minus 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Now next, if here you will take the x equal to 2, then y equal to 2 plus 4 will what? That will be 6. 3, then 3 plus 4 will what? That will be 7. Now the 4, that will be 8. Now x equal to what? 5, then y will be what? 5 plus 9. Now see the students, here we have taken the different values 2, 3, 4, 5 of the number of boys, then the what girls numbers are coming like this. You see that in both equations, whatever the coordinates we have got, here we are getting the coordinates 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6 and 5, 5. With that we can make the one line in the graph case, there is no problem. Only that to draw the line 2 coordinates are required, and here we have taken the what 4 coordinates, and here it will be what 2, 6 and 3, 7 and 4, 8 and 5, 9. Now students, you will see the 4 coordinates here and 4 coordinates here. If you will name it, then A, B, C and D. If you will draw the line, then you can rename that points, and there you can take the P, Q, R and S. Here students, from the both coordinates you are seeking that the B point and the Q point, that is common. Means if you draw this line with these coordinates, and again you will draw with this coordinates another line, then you will see that at the point 3, 7 both line will intersect each other. At the point 3, 7 both line will intersect each other. Only one point you are getting, no other point is there. Okay, that means here we are getting the one solution. Okay, the value which satisfy the both equation, that will be your solution. So when you draw the graph of this, you will see that 3, 7 point is common for the both lines. Okay, so that point will be what? Intersecting point, and that will be your solution also. So here we can write 3, 7 is the solution of this simultaneous linear equations. Means ki there the 3 is what? That is the x is the number of boys. So number of boys are 3 and the girls are 7, and both are satisfying. You can see that x plus y means 3 plus 7 equal to 10, and the y equal to means what? That will be 7. 7 equal to 3 plus 4 will be what? 7. That means ki both equations by this value it is satisfying. That means 3, 7 is the solution. What you will do in the copy, first you will write down this thing, and then after in the graph you have to draw the line with this coordinates and this coordinates. 2 lines will be drawn, and at the 3, 7 point both lines will intersect. That will be your solution. Okay. Okay students, thank you.